I am your teacher, Nafisa Edinwala. Today we are going to do a new topic in English Bal Bharti. Hope you all are fine in your comforts of your home as usual. It's early morning 9 o'clock and you are sitting with your cell phones to hear my voice, right? And to know what is the new topic to be done today. So let's start. We'll do today a poetry from your Bal Bharti 1.3 The Pilgrim. You must be having your textbook in front of you, notebook as usual, a pencil, an eraser. In case if I give you some meanings, you can write down, children. Now, before we start a poem, The Pilgrim, there is a warming up exercise. As you know very well, this warming up exercise we have done in both the lessons Time to Believe as well as Dick Whittington. Means this warming up exercise prepares you to understand the following lesson very well or in a better way. Now this warming up exercise has few questions first. Now if you zoom and you see it, what fatal dangers or problems, there is a slash, means dangers or problems did mankind face centuries ago but they are no more a threat today. मीन्स पहले सालों पहले कौन से डेंजर्स थे, कौन से प्रॉब्लम्स थे जो इंसान के सामने आते थे और आज वो प्रॉब्लम्स से इंसान जरा भी डरता नहीं है या उसके लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. सेकेंड इज named a few scientists, discoverers, inventors, social reformers who gave up their precious time to find a solution to our problems, right? And third is, did they face the same problems? That is, and what inspired them? Fourth question. Now, the answer to these questions we will discuss. Now, there is two figure of speech here it is given, tautology and rhetorical question. Rhetorical means poetry में जहाँ पे भी question mark आता है statement में, that is a rhetorical figure of speech, right? What is this love? When a poet is asking a question to us, what is this life for? Tautology, when there are two or three words but having same meaning. Joy and cheer, same meaning. Pain and aches, same meaning. So that is called tautology. That is for your reference. We have already done 9, and if you remember this, you can write down again in your notebooks. It's wonderful because you'll be learning more things. And definitely, what did I tell you? Figure of speech adds beauty to your language, and you can understand lessons and poetry very well if you understand the figure of speech. Now let's get started with the questions first. In warming up, what are the problems or dangers did mankind face centuries ago but are no longer a threat today? Centuries, मतलब सालों पहले man faced dangers such as hunger, disease, uncertainty of weather and climate, natural disaster, etc., all of which no longer pose a threat to mankind today. Now, hunger, bhukmari, then diseases like you can say plague, polio, tuberculosis, that is TB, cancer. These diseases were fatal. उसमें इंसान मर ही जाता था, right? Uncertainty, sometimes there were heavy rains, sometimes no rains, climatic conditions also, and natural disasters like floods, storms, tsunamis. Now these are no more. Now today, if the particular place does not have enough rainfall for a year, With technology, we have built dam across rivers, reservoirs where the water is supplied to the farms, and with technology, we are able to grow crops twice a year, right? Now, cancer, TB, they have medicines. Today, they are curable if you know at the first stage. It is no more a trend. If somebody is suffering from cancer, okay. पहले तो लोग छुपाते भी थे, अभी तो okay, डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे, अच्छा हो जाएगा, right? So all this, now we are not scared of anything because we have the medicine. Now this time we are suffering from COVIDs, right? Coronavirus. Our scientists are finding remedies, vaccines to cure this dreadful disease. Yes, and in a year or two, we will be able to protect ourselves from such dreadful disease. Maybe छोटे बच्चे जब पैदा हो गए तो उनको ये वैक्सीन भी दिया जाएगा पोलियो के साथ. You must be very small. Your doctor must be have given you some injection on your arms जहाँ पे आपके निशान हो गए. That is BCG vaccines. Right? Now, next question is you have to name some explorers, scientists, what they did. Now, Edward Jenner was a scientist. He discovered a vaccine for smallpox. Now, smallpox को हिंदी में एक बीमारी का नाम जिसको हम चेचक की बीमारी बोलते हैं, जिसमें आपके पूरे जिस्म में मुंह पे खड्डे 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 आ जाते हैं, जो बचपन में होता है. And he discovered a vaccine, and today nobody suffers from smallpox. It's all eradicated because we take the vaccines when we are very young, small infants. Johns Gutenberg, he invented what? Printing press. Now mass communication, or you can say communication became faster. You can read न्यूज़ इन योर न्यूज़पेपर ऑफ डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. लंदन में क्या हुआ, अमेरिका में क्या हुआ, इटली में अभी कोविड में क्या हुआ. यू वर ऑल गेटिंग दिस न्यूज़ सिटिंग इन योर होम, ऑल प्रिंटेड इन न्यूज़पेपर्स, राइट? अगर न्यूज़पेपर नहीं आता एक दिन तो क्या हालत हो जाती हैं, राइट? बिकॉज वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ गेटिंग न्यूज़ एनीवेयर. जिसको न्यूज़पेपर की आदत है घर में, they want to read a newspaper, they want to know what is happening not only in Pune but in other parts of our country also. So printing press was really very good invention. Second was Graham Bell. Telephone, that black box in your house before the mobiles. If you remember, you could talk to your cousins, aunties, friends, people in Dubai, Kuwait, America, anywhere, right? And it had brought the entire world very close. And the credit goes to whom? Graham Bell. Thomas Alva Edison, again, is a great personality, a great inventor. He invented what? Light. एक दिन अगर पूना में लाइट नहीं है, अंधेरा हर जगह, लाइट कब आएंगी, कब आएंगी? सो टुडे इट हैज़ बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. लाइट, लेट नाइट तक स्टडी करना है, लेट नाइट तक कुछ काम करना है, तो लाइट के बगैर इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, राइट? सो we use this light in a productive manner. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin. He discovered medicine, either it was given in a form of injection or in a tablet, which would kill the bacterias, harmful bacterias in your body, and would fight infection of your body. Now we are coming to Wright brothers. ना पहले हम लोग क्या मक्का मदीना शिप में जाते थे, बहुत तकलीफ़ें होती थी, तीर्थ यात्रा पे है, देवर गोइंग बहुत. नाउ वैष्णव देवी, हिंदूज यूज्ड टू गो टू वैष्णव देवीज, दैट इज़ इन हिमालयाज, नियर हिमालयाज. सो एंड दे यूज्ड टू वॉक, ट्रेन में जाना, कैसे भी जाना, बट इट वॉज रेडी. बट टुडे You sit in a plane and within few hours you are there. Very easy. Traveling became easy. Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese sailor. He found a new when Constantinople was captured by Turks. He found a new sea route to India because India was very famous for what? Spices, silk, and cotton. And he would bring things from Portuguese, sell it here, and he would take. So that gave what? Impetus to foreign trade, right? Now, these were the people who were who have devoted their life to give a better life to the young generation who will be following. Then some of the social reformers, if you go, there are many social reformers, but let's do some with Indians. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Jyotiba Phule, Swami Vivekanand. Then you can take it as Bal Gangadhar Tilak, right? Many. Gandhi, everyone. They fought for the rights of women and encouraged Western education. They said कि अगर हमारे इंडिया के लोग वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन इज़ नॉट बैड अभी आप इंग्लिश स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो इज़ इट बैड नो बिकॉज यू लर्न मेनी न्यू थिंग्स एंड वुमेंस के लिए फाइट किए राइट्स के लिए फर्स्ट वुमेन्स वर नॉट अलाउड टू अटेन एजुकेशन दे वर नॉट अलाउड टू लीव द हाउस widow marriage was not allowed. Today widows can marry. Child marriage is banned, sati is banned. So they fought for the rights of women and they encouraged Western education. Now we'll come to the last part of the question. Did they themselves suffer from these problems and setbacks? Now, yes, all these people, just like Graham Bell, Alexander Fleming, Thomas Alva, they did suffer, right? As no one prior to them may. But when they suffered, they wanted to do something for the mankind, good for the mankind. They dedicated their life to find solution to these problems. Yes, and they invented these things. So yes, no one prior to them made such discovery or inventions. What inspired them? The fact that young generation would what inspired them means they वो लोग क्या चाहते थे कि जो हमने सफ़र किया हमारे पीछे जो यंग जनरेशन है मतलब हमारे बच्चों के बच्चे they should not suffer the same thing. So they dedicated their life and found out solutions to the problems. And that is what was a source of inspiration. Children, this was a warming up exercise we did today. You will write down the question answers I'll be giving you in your notebooks. And there is a second video on the explanation of the poem Pilgrim. It's really going to be really beautiful and a masterpiece poem. You will love the poem and listen to that video very carefully. It's and understand and after that you have to read twice and thrice that poem so that you understand better and you'll be able to answer. Thank you for being with me and I'm posting another video, so please stay online. Thank you children. And all the exercise you have to write in your notebooks.